Pat Mannix from Paris Financial to take you through some practical examples to help with this COVID-19 crisis, and the government's come out with some really good incentives for small business. So I'll go through this example first of just a basic business with one employee on $60,000 salary. So we'll concentrate on JobKeeper first, which is still got some fine tuning, but basically this will be the scenario. The business has dropped by 40%, so they can take advantage of the JobKeeper and try to keep this person on $60,000 employed and ticking over while this crisis is on. So if we break down that $60,000 to a fortnight's pay, the person's getting $2,307. $427 goes in tax, so the person is taking home $1,880. How it works with JobKeeper is this. The employer continues to pay the $2,307 gross amount to this person every fortnight via their single touch payroll system. So your bookkeeper's vitally important again. The government will come back via JobKeeper and kick you back as the employer $1,500 of the $2,307. So what you are out of pocket as an employer is $807 for the fortnight for that person on their $60,000. You'll still need to pay their superannuation for the fortnight, which is 9.5%, $219 on the $2,307. So this is how it works every fortnight. If you multiply this out, if the business is down for the whole 6 months, it's basically a touch under $20,000 that the business gets back to support that person for the period of April to September. The second one I want to look at for this small business is one of the original stimulus packages was a cash flow boost. And the cash flow boost for this business is through the PAYG withholding tax. And basically, in simple terms, for this business, they will get $10,000 for the period from 1st of January to the 30th of June, and they'll get another $10,000 from the period from the 1st of July to the end of September. So through the cash flow boost, again through PAYG withholding tax, you'll get back $20,000. So your bookkeepers are key because, again, lodging the PAYG withholding tax for the cash flow boost is done through your BAS. And of course, your bookkeeper should be putting through your payroll for this person. So for this small business, one person, $60,000 salary, there should be a $20,000 cash boost there, plus about $20,000 coming back via JobKeeper to the employer to support the business and to support the person. Check in with your tax accountant for more details and some more clarifications around dates, but this is a worked example on a really small business. Good luck.